Hello and welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you how you can add a cool hover effect in a button. Okay, now first of all I'll be clicking on this frame tool, okay, and then I'm going to click on it. Then you can easily draw a frame, okay. Then I'm going to add a text here. Okay, so first of all I'll add some color. Let it be blue, and some corner radius I want. That's it. Okay, done. Okay, so now I'm going to draw a circle here which will be inside this frame. Now do one thing. Okay, this is the first the main component which will when not hovered, this is the state. So for now just hide it. Okay, just hide it, just move like this. Done. Okay, and then also I want this text to change to white. So what I'm going to do is I'll not change it automatically. I want it to apply a smart animate. So I'm going to just create another, sorry, just create another text here. Done. Okay, so do one thing, click on this one, create component, and then a variant, just add another variant. So this will be the hover state. Now I have the circle here. Okay, let me add the color for this circle also. I forgot to add that. Okay, maybe, yeah. Okay, and same thing I'll do here also. So you can add any color you want, but I am for now I am adding this. Okay, just to show you how you can make changes. Yeah, that's it. This text layer is there. Okay, and now the circle will be there. Now I can see that the text is behind the circle. So what I'm going to do is just click on the circle, right click on it, and then send to back. That's it. Okay, that's it. Okay, done. So let me now, I have to edit the interactions here now. Okay, so first of all you are going to connect this. Okay, now you are going to edit this. Like, this will not be on click, this should be while hovering. Okay, smart animate. Okay, and then ease out. Okay, ease in and out I'll give it. Okay, then that's it. Now you're going to simply to test this, I want a frame here. So I'll just select a simple desktop screen. Okay, I'm going to copy this, or maybe you can click on alt key, hold on the alt key, and then you're going to copy this. You're going to drag it, click and drag to the frame. That's it. Now let me check if it is working. Okay, here is my button. So see, isn't that cool? So like this you can add this hover effect. Okay, so that's it for this video. Okay, and if you have got any doubt, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much.